everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to a brand new box which we have. This one is going to be full of lots of lovely bath goodies because it is from Lush. Now, they now do two different subscription boxes, but this is one that I've not seen anybody open. I don't really know what I'm getting myself into, but it was so exciting to me, I had to buy it immediately. Their other box just does like their normal bath products, but this one is so exciting because it has bath products and it also comes with a little itty bitty tiny bunch of flowers, which sounds just adorable. It's May, I saw this and I thought that gives me such springtime, Maytime vibes, so I had to order it. And naturally it's now like grey and raining and miserable and it's ruining the spring vibes. But we're gonna pretend we're gonna get a nice little bunch of flowers and embrace the springtime vibes. This one is £35, so it's a little bunch of flowers and it's a bunch of products, but they're like freshly made. So I'm guessing it's not like Lush's normal bath bombs and stuff, because those probably have to be dried. But yeah, I haven't seen anybody unbox it. There are probably hundreds of people doing it on YouTube, but I have not seen any, so I do not really know what we're going to get, so it's going to be an experience together. So without further ado, let's dive into it. It did actually arrive yesterday, naturally, because I was not here yesterday and didn't get back until like 10 o'clock at night, so it had been sat sort of in the sun for a while, so I panicked and put it in the fridge, and hopefully that will have helped. But if the flowers are a little bit wilty, that's why. So we better get them out of their box. So no more waffling cease, let's go. So this little box, luckily it just fits through your letterbox. It's got my name on it, very cute. It does smell, you can smell something through it. I can smell something floral, which is really bugging me because I can't figure out what it is. I also feel like there's something like honey scented in this corner. So let's have a look. Okay. Okay, so I don't think there's a little leaflet in here that tells you what things are. There's like a little sticker here with a QR code, and I think that's got the products and ingredients on it, so we might have to just do some guessing and look at that in a minute. So these are my little flowers. So this is what we're looking at. We've got a little bunch of flowers that do look like they've gone a little bit smushed, and then some other products. So let's get the flowers out first. And okay, I am confused. Okay, so there's like, I'm guessing, I'm confused. I'm guessing this is another product that's gotten stuck to the bottom of it. Let me, where's my phone? Let me show you what I'm seeing, because I'm confused. So yeah, I reckon this is like another product, but it kind of looks like there's like mouldy leaves stuck to the back of it. They kind of look like lily leaves, but they're like covered in like waxy soap. So I assume it's like another product that's gotten stuck to the back of my little bunch of flowers. But definitely gave me a bit of confusion. It kind of looks like I've had some lilies in a vase for way too long. So I guess I will try and peel those off. Maybe it got a bit melted yesterday. There we go, so that's our dubious, it looks like a mummified hand or something. It's like waxy creaminess. Anyway, flowers, we've got a little posy of flowers. So this is like a bath garni, so it must be, yeah, I was going to say it looks like chamomile, and it's definitely got rosemary and some lavender, which has definitely gotten squished. The poor lavender's been up against where that other product was squished to it. Let's see. The chamomile and other flowering herbs in this bath garni are from Carrie's Secret Garden. Please remove the outer paper and add to your bath water. Oh, okay, so that's kind of cute. So as well as it being a cute little posy, it's actually as well can go in your bath. I don't know if all of their little posies that they do in this box are like that. I thought they were more just like little bunches of flowers, but there's quite a nice way of like combining the two concepts of the box. Just get rid of that. I'll get them out of their paper and put them in some water, and hopefully they'll like bounce back a little bit, because they are looking a little bit squished. They smell good though. Oh, there's sage in there, that's why. Yeah, so we got chamomile, sage, lavender. I'm not too sure what this, it might be thyme. Flowering thyme, yeah. So a little like herb bouquet, which is very cute. I've got some little vases here, so I thought they might be a bit thirsty, so I had water prepared. Yeah, they are looking a bit squished as well. There we go, a cute little bouquet. Hopefully that will like puff up a bit. There we go, a little bouquet. So that's the first product. We should figure out, like I said, I think you need to scan the QR code. Oh no, it does look like there's something written underneath, so hopefully we'll figure out what things are. Oh, I didn't even realise there's like a theme on this paper. Bees Needs Fresh Box. These self-care products have been handmade with care in the last 48 hours. Use them as soon as possible. Okay, yeah, so I think it does say on this paper in the box what things are. So we had our little bouquet, which is a bit squished, but will bounce back. Then we've got whatever these are, which I'm a bit dubious of. I'm going to leave them in the box and we'll get to those last so I can actually read what's on the thing. We do have a little pot of face mask, and I'm guessing this might be what smelt of honey, because it is a queen bee fresh face mask. A mask made from the flowers that bees love, a cleansing cowslip infusion with a handful of fresh rose petals that soothe and balance. Relax while the bees dart from flower to flower in the late spring sunshine. So it's one of these little kind of flat pots. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, it's like purple. Okay, that's not where the honey's coming from. It's just a very like light florally type scent. It's not overly powdered. Oh, it's like, I reckon it's got oat in it. It's oaty, if you know what I mean. It's relatively thick, it's like separated slightly. I reckon it's got oat milk in, that would be my guess. But we'll have to see. But yeah, it's like a lavendery purpley colour. I don't know why I put it on my hand, because now it's just gonna sit there. Anyway, a little face mask. Then we have, I'm trying to get around these like flowers that are covered in goop. This might actually be a soap, I think. Something, it looks like it's got calendula on the top, and again it looks kind of oaty. Let me see, I'm going to get everything out so I can actually read what things are, because that will be so much easier. I have to say, it's getting kind of messy opening this box, not going to lie, a little bit messy, but oh well. Okay, so this is a body scrub, Aqua Mirabilis Underwater. There you go. Glide your Aqua Mirabilis across wet skin to release softening cocoa butter, exfoliating ground almond shells, and soft and smooth apricot kernel oil. The topping is a mini bath bomb with marigold petals that fizzes and softens your skin. Okay, that sounds kind of fun. It's kind of part bath bomb, part little scrub bar. I have had from Lush like their massage bars, so I wonder if it's a little bit like that, but like an underwatery bar type thing. But yeah, quite cute. You can probably get a couple of uses out of that as well. Then we have some of these little squishy eye pads. I have looked at these in the Lush store before, but they were quite expensive, I feel like, because they're one use only. They're just like little squishy pads that you put on your eyes that are like jelly-like. I do quite like these, like, are they silicone, the little under eye pads you get, but I always feel like they're probably not very environmentally friendly because they come in quite a lot of plastic packaging and they're single use. So I have looked at these ones in Lush, but yeah, they seem quite expensive for like a single use thing. But now I have some, so we have, oh, they're squishy, like a little jelly flower and a little jelly bumblebee. The flower, it looks like, has got some petal in it. Again, I wonder if that's like calendula or marigold, whichever they want to describe it as, and a little bumblebee. While wearing your face mask, apply your eye pads for extra relaxation. The bee contains a calming chamomile tea, while the flower contains marigolds and an eye bright tea infusion. Both pads use the softening carrageenan and fresh aloe to ease puffiness around the eyes. Try straight from the fridge for full effect, one use only. yeah, so I wonder, I mean, they've got different stuff in, so I guess you just pick your favourite eye to go for, like, your favourite sounding one. I don't know, or you just like slap them about a bit. But yeah, like I said, I've looked at them before, so I'm kind of happy to have some to try. Hopefully they will be nice and refreshing. It's kind of a shame it's not boiling hot outside anymore, because I feel like they'd be really nice coming in from a really hot day. But yeah, no, it's cold and grey and raining. But yeah, I'll stick them in the fridge and give them a go. Next up we have a little watering can. Other things have smushed on it. We're going to get to the smushy things at the end, I think. But this is like a little watering can. I think this is probably a bubble bar. Yes. While running your bath, swish the grass scented watering can in your bath or under running water to make gentle bubbles. This bubble bar uses lovely ingredients that are great for your skin and plants, such as nettle powder and comfrey root powder. If you wish, you can reuse your bath water to water your plants or water your seed bombs. I do that anyway. Literally every time I have a bath, I like to leave the water in there for a bit and then water all my plants, because water is the precious resource and I don't want to pay for it. So yeah, I always use my bath water to water my plants. So maybe this one will actually give them a bit of a boost. They're all kind of flowering at the moment, so hopefully this will help them sustain their beauty for a while. It doesn't smell that grassy to me, to be honest. Like, it's not like, you know, when people are cutting grass. It's almost more of like kind of like a hempy type smell, I would say. But quite like fresh and natural and in a cute little watering can shape. Then we've got another little bumblebee, and this is a seed bomb. So this is not a bath product, so don't stick it in your bath. This is a little seed bomb, so I'm guessing one that you just chuck in the ground. I'm guessing it will have like pollinating plants for the bees. Soak your bee seed bomb and plant it in soil. Keep watered and wildflower seeds enclosed will grow and keep bees happy. I don't have a garden sadly, which is always sad when I get stuff like this, because I would love a, like, one day, you know, I'll have a rolling country mansion with my own like meadow that I can frolic in, filled with plants and bees and butterflies and all that good stuff. But currently I live in a flat. Oh no, I just broke my bee in half trying to get it out of its plastic. Oh, bee. Yeah, the plastics are really tight on there. Anyway, so it's basically, it looks like there is a bit of a backing to it. So I reckon it's like wax. Then all the seeds are in this composty material in the back. And yeah, you just like soften it up, chuck it in compost, and then beautiful flowers should erupt for you. So a little bee seed bomb to go with the theme. I didn't realise there was going to be like a proper theme throughout this box, so that's quite nice. Right, let's get on to the squishy deals. So we have two squishy things. So we have that weird waxy lump that you saw in the beginning, and then a weird pink lump. So I was right with saying that these looked like slightly manky lily leaves that been in a vase too long, because it is lily, and it is apparently a naked shower gel. Apply to wet skin and release the creamy oat and lavender shower gel while encasing the petals of freshly dipped lily. I wonder if it was supposed to look a bit more fancy and it got squished whilst it was in transit. And then you also have a rose one, I'm guessing, which again does not look super appealing. It does just look like a lump. And this one is a Paint the Roses naked shower gel. Apply to wet skin and release the creamy stuff. It doesn't say. I'll say it's because there's like squished muck everywhere. There's creamy rose water shower gel, which encases the petals of a freshly dipped rose. This one at least has a bit of a stem, so you can kind of pick it up. But I gotta say, both of these are like making a mess. Like, they're all over everything, like this box, all over all the products, literally everywhere. But I'm sure that they feel like they've got a lot of like creamy oil in them, so I'm sure they're very nice, but I'm not sure they're the most convenient to have in a box. Or I don't know, if you're making them yourself at home, they're probably lovely, but I feel like you probably need to dip them, then use them straight away, or just they're not ones for transit, I feel like. Especially, I feel like they're not the most attractive looking. Like, I'm sure they're very nice, and the idea of having a fresh flower inside your products is nice, but yeah, we're getting grubby from them. So yeah, I'll try and use them nice and quick because they're very melty. So they might have melted quite a lot yesterday when they were in the post, because yesterday was quite a warm day, and just having them out of the box now, they've been in the fridge all night and they're already melting, so those might have gotten a little bit melty. But yeah, anyway, that was everything that was in the box. So this is the May Lush Fresh, and I want to say it's called Fresh and Flowers box. I should have double checked, but yeah, I'm pretty certain it's the fresh one. The fresh one. So that was everything that was in the box. It was £35, which I feel like is quite a lot of money, but I do really like the idea of getting bath products and a little bouquet of flowers. I used to get the Cures and Curses box, which had like bath products and then other stuff, which is what I like. I like the idea of getting like bath or beauty boxes, but you just don't need that much stuff. So I feel like when they've combined it with something else, that you're not just getting bath products, that's just much better in my opinion. I'm excited to try the products. I do feel like those, the shower gel, fresh shower gel flowers, maybe not the best ones to put in the box because they have just smushed. If this had been sent out, I mean, a couple of weekends ago it was like 20 degrees, like full sunshine, I got sunburn, etc. If it had been sent out that weekend, I think it would have arrived completely destroyed. So they kind of lucked out that these come at slightly colder days because they're very melty, and yet they have just kind of gone everywhere, so maybe not the best option to put in the box. I'm probably most excited for the face mask. I like the idea of this little scrubby bar thing. I'll definitely use that. And the little iPads. I mean, do those little iPads actually do anything, or should they just feel good? Who knows, but I'm excited to give them a go. But yeah, let me know what you thought of this new box. I feel like mine maybe suffered because I wasn't here to unpack it yesterday. But I'm definitely going to try another one. We'll get another one and see what that one's like. See if it's as messy. But yeah, let me know what you thought of it. Do you like the idea? Have you seen other people get past months ones? Have you tried any of their products? I've not really tried a lot of Lush products. I literally have bought like 2 or 3 over the years, which is why I was kind of looking at their subscription box, because people seem to love them, so I wanted to give them a go. So let me know if you've got any favourite products, etc., so I can give them a go as well. But yeah, that was this month's box. Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you again next month for the next one. Bye everyone!